After India's successful strike on terror bases in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir under Operation Sindoor, the situation escalated further on the 8th of May when Indian defense systems thwarted Pakistan's attempt to strike military targets in northern and western India. The Indian Armed Forces also made a calculated counter-strike targeting and successfully hitting an air defense system in Lahore, Pakistan. The weapon of choice for this precise strike was Israel's advanced HAROP, which is an unmanned loitering munition. Here's everything you need to know about the HAROP and its role in these escalating tensions. HAROP is classified as a loitering munition, which is a sophisticated category of weapons designed to hover near the target area before striking. What makes these munitions unique is their ability to loiter in the air for extended periods before homing in on their targets. Their destructive nature comes from their impact. That is, these munitions dive straight into their targets carrying a lethal explosive payload. These loitering munitions are equipped with cameras mounted on their noses, allowing operators to visually confirm and select targets in real time. The HAROP variant, however, is even more advanced, featuring autonomous capabilities, which means it can identify and attack targets on its own without human intervention. The HAROP system also has a unique feature in that it can be recovered and reused if it hasn't been deployed, unlike older precision-guided weapons that needed precise target information before launching. A little background: the HAROP is manufactured by Israel's aerospace industries and it's regarded as one of the most formidable loitering munitions on the battlefield. According to the IAI, the HAROP is a king of the battlefield. It's a hybrid between a missile and an unmanned aerial vehicle, combining the best attributes of both. This system is capable of hunting high-value targets such as unmanned surface vessels, command posts, supply depots, tanks, and most importantly, air defense systems like the one it successfully took out in Lahore. The HAROP has an impressive 9-hour endurance, during which it loiters in the designated area, scanning for targets, planning its attack route, and then striking from any angle. What's remarkable is its immunity to global navigation satellite system jamming, which makes it a particularly difficult target to countermeasures. The HAROP is launched from canisters that can be mounted on trucks or naval vessels, giving it the flexibility to operate across different terrains and environments. IAI was a pioneer in developing loitering munitions, having introduced the HAROP in 1980s, which is a system often described as a kamikaze drone. While the term may be misleading, it reflects the weapon's basic principle. It can fly without prior intelligence about its target, stay in the air, and zero in on its target autonomously. The HAROP is a next evolution of this concept, offering enhanced capabilities. Instead of the HAROP's radio frequency seeker, the HAROP uses an electro-optical sensor which allows it to spot and identify targets more precisely. Once a target is located, the electro-optical sensor guides the HAROP to its target, making it an incredibly accurate weapon. IAI claims that hundreds of HAROP munitions have been battle-tested with a 98% mission success rate, highlighting its effectiveness and reliability in combat situations. India's use of HAROP against Pakistan's air defense systems marks a significant development in modern warfare. The precision of these strikes reflects India's growing capabilities in unmanned systems and loitering munitions, adding to the country's strategic options in dealing with cross-border threats. As tensions continue to escalate, both India and Pakistan are increasingly relying on advanced technology like HAROP and its counterparts to bolster their defense postures. This move not only sends a strong message to Pakistan about India's preparedness, but also highlights the growing role of autonomous systems in modern military operations. With these advanced loitering munitions, India is positioning itself as a formidable force in the region, able to strike decisively while minimizing the risk to personnel and infrastructure. In the ongoing conflict, the stakes are higher than ever, and the outcome may very well be shaped by these high-tech weapons that patrol the skies and strike with deadly accuracy.